Today, we will perform blood group by tube method, both forward and reverse. Our tools are ready. I select a sample. Now, we will mark the tubes accordingly. A, B, D, and AC, BC. After that we will wash the sample cells by normal saline. Use the technique as shown for mixing. Centrifuge it for 20 to 25 seconds. Repeat that process 3 times. Now, we will make 3 to 5% cell suspension of sample washed cells. The suspension is ready. In these tubes we will add anti-sera respectively, as A, B, and D. Now check it once, anti-sera respectively. After that, we will add sample cells to the tubes. 2 drops in the forward reaction tube. Meanwhile, sample serum is ready. That will be transferred to the reverse reaction tubes. 3 drops each respectively. Now, add A cells and B cells to the corresponding tubes. Centrifuge it for 20 to 25 seconds. After finishing centrifugation, we will read the reactions properly, first in forward tubes, and then in reverse tubes. Anti-A tube show 4+ reaction. Anti-B tube has no reaction, while anti-D shows 2+ reaction. In the reverse tubes, A cells is negative and B cells showing 2+ reactions. Now, how to write the results is shown. Anti-A 4+ anti-B 0 and anti-D 2+, A cells 0, B cells 2+. All these reactions shows that the sample blood group is A positive.